Well, you can sit crying in the rainfall, 'cause you don't know where you are. You don't ever know how things got this far. Yeah, I never ever thought I'd get here to where I am. I don't know where I'm going. I feel like everything's gone. I don't know who I am without everything I knew. I'm alone now. Everyone is gone. I could fall asleep forever. I don't know if I could sleep at all. Who am I without control, without knowing where to go? I don't even recognize myself. Fear of the unknown, fear of where to go. I never thought I would be here all alone. I don't know who I am, who I'm gonna be. My mom, I outlasted them all. Don't know where to go. When the cold wind blows and your eyes they close, and you can't see the past, does it ever last? No, but I will find a way. Yeah, I know you find a way to be strong when the cold is gone, to be strong when you have to go on. You find a way, gonna find your way. You're gonna find your way.